Hi all, in this video I will show you how you can generate gRPC classes that can be used in your Spring Boot application. So for that purpose I already updated my POM file. I will show you what I added. So I added two dependencies that are from EO gRPC, that is gRPC stub and gRPC protobuf, and one Jakarta dependency, that is Jakarta Notation API. And this here is mentioned that if you use later than Java 9 version, so you should add this dependency. If you are using Java 8, so you can go without this. Also, in the build, I added one extension, that is OS Maven plugin, and the plugin for protobuf Maven plugin. So these are two stuff that I added to the POM XML file, and now I can create my proto file. Let me create it. So I will name it like users.proto. So let's write it. So first we will define the syntax. We will use proto3, and now let's provide a couple of options. So one option is that we want multiple files. So I want to have multiple files. If you go to this, you can see that Java code generator will generate separate file for each top level message, enum and service defined the proto file. So I want this. What I want next is to create the package that this file will be created. So let's say com Java for you. What should I add? Let's say proto, and this is okay. And let's define one more thing, that is the outer class name. Let's say I will write like users proto. These are the options. Now I will define the service. So user service, and what I will do next, I will define the methods. So let's say I will create user that will have like create user message. It's an input parameter, and will return create user message. I will make like response and a request. So this is my definition of the method. So let's create also the messages. So the first message will be this. So create user, and I will provide only string name. I need to assign a value to this. Why I need this? For deeper explanation, you can see on protobuf page. So why we are assigning field numbers, and basically, long story short, it's used to identify our fields in the message binary format. And in the this text below, you can see why and how is that done. Let's return back to our profile. So I will create also the other message for the response, and let's say I will have ID, and also I will return the name. And this is everything that we need to do for this proto file. So we can now generate the code. So after we update our POM file, this Maven plugin will do the job for us. So everything we need to do is to type nvn clean install, and you can see our build is success. Let's open the user's proto, and now let's open what we have generated. So we can generate sources, protobuf, and if you can see, we have our service class and our messages with the descriptor. So let's see what we have in our user service class. So we have implementation base, abstract class that we will use when we will implement this in our server project, and this blocking stop, that is basically when we will implement the client, we will inject this and we will have the method create user, so we can call it directly. So it's the same for implementation base. As you can see, we have the method that we need to implement. This code you can find in the description, the link to the repository, and thank you for watching this video.